won't be able to keep your eyes open after about 30 minutes. Hello everybody, I'm Aaron and welcome to today's video review for the cbdMD Sleep Gummies. In this video, you're going to get an overview of cbdMD as a brand, as well as an in-depth product review of the cbdMD Sleep Gummies. We're also going to give you an unboxing, our own product review, testing and ratings, pros and cons, and we're also going to compare these sleep gummies from cbdMD to other sleep gummies on the market. Be sure to check the link in the description of this video to get the most up-to-date coupon codes for cbdMD sleep gummies from SaveOnCannabis.com. SaveOnCannabis.com is dedicated to bringing you unbiased product reviews to help you learn about the products that you're interested in buying, as well as to help you get the best up-to-date coupon codes for those products. So before we get started with this product review, make sure you smash the like button on this video and follow our channel to let the YouTube algorithms know that you want to see more Save on Cannabis reviews like this. Alright, so before we get into this product review, let us give you an overview of cbdMD as a brand. cbdMD is a publicly listed company that was founded in 2015 out of Charlotte, North Carolina. They're focused on high-potency custom formulations at a low price point. cbdMD's shopping catalog features a full range of products including Delta 9 THC gummies, CBD gummies, oil, capsules, topicals in a range of broad and full spectrum potencies, CBD drink mix in a variety of flavors, as well as CBD tinctures, topicals, and treats formulated for both cats and dogs. Compared to other CBD brands on the market, cbdMD gets $2 signs out of $4 signs from SaveOnCannabis.com. They only use USA grown domestically sourced hemp, they provide third-party labs on all of their products, and they offer a 60-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. cbdMD is also affiliated with the US Hemp Roundtable, the Natural Products Association, the Hemp Industries Association, and they are GMP certified. Overall, cbdMD is among the most popular and well-known CBD brands on the market going into 2023, and I definitely think they're worth your time to check out. Alright, let's go ahead and dive into this product review for the cbdMD Sleep Gummies. The sleep gummies from cbdMD contain a total of 50 milligrams of CBD and 2 milligrams of THC per serving, and each serving is 2 gummies. Serving also contains 5 milligrams of melatonin, as well as 475 milligrams of a proprietary sleep blend containing botanicals such as chamomile extract, lemon balm extract, L-theanine, valerian extract, and GABA. It also contains 100 milligrams of ashwagandha. Other ingredients in the sleep gummies also include corn syrup, sugar, water, pectin, citric acid, sodium citrate, natural flavors, and natural color. In this part of our video, we're going to go over the third-party labs for cbdMD sleep gummies. The third-party labs are going to tell you everything that's in the product you're going to buy, as well as everything that it has been tested for. Now, starting with what we see on our page, these third-party labs were provided by SC Labs, and this is our certificate of analysis issued on this date here, as you see on your screen. And if you go down, you'll see the cannabinoid analysis summary of the total THC and total CBD expressed in milligrams per gram. Now, if you look up here, you'll see that the serving size is 7 grams per serving, or 2 gummies. So if you multiply THC and CBD by 7, you'll get the total milligrams of THC and CBD in each serving. And if you do the math, it's actually slightly more potent than advertised on the package. It's actually around 60 milligrams of CBD per serving and around 3 milligrams of THC per serving. So if you continue to go down, you'll see the safety analysis that they tested THC per serving. On the safety analysis, you'll see that they tested for pesticides, heavy metals, mycotoxins, foreign materials, residual solvents, and water activity. And if you continue to look at your third-party labs, they'll provide all the information over each test that was conducted. Now keep watching in this video, because in the next section we're going to tell you how we tested and rated the cbdMD sleep gummies ourselves. So in this review, we tested the cbdMD sleep gummies by taking them about half an hour before going to sleep. First, by just taking 1 gummy and then increasing to 2 gummies the next night. And in reality, I've actually been testing these gummies every night for about a week now. I was really excited to try the sleep gummies from cbdMD because they contained melatonin, CBD, THC, ashwagandha, as well as a proprietary blend of botanicals formulated specifically for sleep. And I've never taken melatonin before, by itself or in combination with sleep botanicals or hemp compounds. So I was really excited to see how melatonin would affect me, because I've heard lots of people have very interesting experiences taking melatonin. Overall, my goals with taking the sleep gummies from cbdMD were generally to feel more well rested in the morning and to have a better quality sleep, as well as to fall asleep faster at night. And overall, the test has gone really well with these sleep gummies. I've been sleeping really well and feeling like my sleep is of good quality. And in the morning when I wake up, I feel well rested. Generally, in my experience from taking these gummies for about a week now, after you take them, especially if you take 2 gummies, the full serving, you won't be able to keep your eyes open after about 30 minutes. These gummies really do bring on sleep. Like, you don't even want to try to fight it. You are just falling asleep. It's pretty hardcore. Overall, these sleep gummies definitely work for me, and I would definitely buy them again. And something useful and unique to know about the sleep gummies is that it does take 2 gummies to complete the full serving of 50 milligrams of CBD and 2 milligrams of THC. I also think it's important to mention that these are not only CBD THC sleep gummies, but they also contain melatonin, GABA, ashwagandha, and a proprietary blend of botanicals specifically designed to improve sleep. Alright, in this next part of our video, we're going to give you our personal ratings for the cbdMD sleep gummies in a variety of categories from 0 to 100. First up in our ratings is presentation, and I give the cbdMD sleep gummies 100 out of 100 in their presentation. I think their packaging and their product is amazing. I think the gummies look and smell and taste delicious. I think the label and the branding is on point. I don't think that they could have done a better job with these gummies in regards of presentation. The way that they look, from the bottle to opening them to the gummy, and the product itself is really good, and I think they did a great job. Next up in our personal ratings is reliability, and I gave the cbdMD sleep gummies 90 out of 100. I gave these gummies 90 out of 100 because of the discrepancy between their third-party lab results and the advertised potency on their package. These gummies are actually more potent than advertised by a little bit. It says 50 milligrams of CBD and 2 milligrams of THC per serving, but it's actually 60 milligrams of CBD and 3 milligrams of THC per serving approximately, according to the third-party labs provided by cbdMD on their website under this product listing. Now, I think it's kind of normal to have some discrepancies sometimes because these are agricultural products in the end. But through the manufacturing and regulatory process, we really want to see these companies present very accurately labeled products that contain precisely what they say they contain, no more or no less. Next up in our review is quality, and I gave the cbdMD sleep gummies 90 out of 100 for quality. Overall, I think that these gummies have a great quality. They taste great, the texture is amazing, and it feels like they're made from really quality ingredients. But overall, from reading the ingredients label, I think that they could probably do better by using some vegan options for their gummy formulas, or formulas that contain perhaps more naturally derived flavors. I know it says natural flavors, but natural flavors is in a lot of ingredients these days, and I'm not really sure what it means. Like, can they just put the actual flavor of it, or what is natural flavors? Anyway, but like I said, I think these gummies overall are really high quality, and that's why I only took off 10 points. Next up in our ratings is flavor, and I'm going to give these gummies 100 out of 100. They taste amazing. I don't really know what else to say. They taste delicious, and in fact, the flavor is one of my favorite things about these gummies. They taste amazing. It says raspberry flavor, but it's more like kind of like a mixed berries kind of flavor, and it's just delicious. It tastes juicy, berry, kind of fruity, kind of sweet, kind of tangy. There's a lot going on, but it's all berry vibes, and it's super amazing. I really liked it. 100 out of 100 on the flavor. Good job, guys. Next up in our personal ratings is value, and I had to give the cbdMD sleep gummies 85 out of 100 on value, just because when you buy them alone, they're kind of expensive, and if you subscribe, you get really good savings. So they don't really offer you a lot of value if you buy just one bottle. They can be kind of expensive, but it's good if you just don't want to try them out. But that's why they have the high price on the front end, because a lot of people just want to try these out, but they don't continue to buy them for one reason or another. But if you like CBD, if you like taking CBD and you like the sleep gummies, they're offering you a very high value proposition in that if you subscribe, you're going to save. They provide like something like 25% off on every purchase, as well as every 4th bottle free, or something similar like that. That was the campaign that they're running at this time. And I think that's really good savings for a product like this. If you take advantage of that value, I would give them 100 out of 100. But I had to take off a few points because if you don't want to subscribe, if you don't want to become a member, maybe if you don't want to purchase every month, maybe you just want to do bi-monthly or once every 3 months, then they're charging you a lot on the front end to buy just one bottle at a time. Alright, next up in our review is the pros and cons section for the CBD Sleep Gummies. And for the pros on this product, I put that they had an amazingly tasty flavor, they had a very effective potency, a unique herbal formula for sleep, and high value subscription savings. On the con side of the cbdMD Sleep Gummies, I put that they're made with corn syrup and certain preservatives, they're expensive unless you subscribe, and that they're not made with any organic ingredients. So how do the sleep gummies from cbdMD stack up to other sleep gummies with full spectrum cannabinoids on the market? So after researching some sleep gummies from competing brands, I did find some similar sleep gummies at competitive price points in that they contain full spectrum cannabinoids, sleep botanicals, and melatonin. However, I think cbdMD sleep gummies have an advantage. That's because the sleep gummies from cbdMD have a higher potency than the other sleep gummies available on the market. And the gummies from cbdMD contain GABA, which is important for falling asleep and staying asleep. While competing brands of sleep gummies contain melatonin and cannabinoids as well as sleep botanicals, they did not contain such a high potency of full spectrum cannabinoids, nor did they contain GABA. So combining all of this, including the price point for subscription savings from cbdMD, and comparing that value proposition with competing sleep gummy brands, I think that cbdMD is really a high competitor in this space, and I think that they're definitely worth checking out. I think that they're going to provide you a really powerful effect for sleep and a really good value for your sleep if you subscribe. That's it for this product review video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Aaron from SaveOnCannabis.com. Make sure you check the link in the description of this video to get the most up-to-date coupon codes from SaveOnCannabis.com, specifically for cbdMD's Sleep Gummies. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video and follow our channel to let the YouTube algorithms know that you want to see more video reviews like this from SaveOnCannabis.com. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!